people breaking posters and all that they had, all that was put up inside the very stadium in that very rage. Let's quickly take a look at the report that's come in from Kolkata at this given point before we proceed with more details.
Well, we can see the chaos broke out over here on the Messi's GOAT program. As we have seen already that there is allegation of mismanagement against the presenters, as well as the people over here got agitated after Messi were being taken inside the stadium, and after that he goes out within 10 minutes. And also what has happened is that Messi and we can see the high dramatic visuals. The people over there all got inside the stadium. The fans over there all got inside the stadium and tearing the nets and destroying all the things over there. We can see they have already destroyed all the posters and hoardings, and also they have thrown out chairs. And right now the police is chasing the fans, and it's a high dramatic visuals right now just inside the Vivekananda Yuva Bharati Kridangan. And this is very sad visuals coming from inside the Vivekananda Yuva Bharati Kridangan, and how as the people are all alleging that they have not expected this short duration of time for Lionel Messi to stay inside the ground, and also the program was cut short because the time was past and CM Mamata Banerjee has also not arrived. And after that he was taken outside the cutout of the stadium, and after that the chaos broke out, and we can see the fans are all breaking the chairs and destroying the things inside the stadium. And that is the high dramatic visuals right now coming in from inside the stadium. This is so sad, and as the people and the fans are all saying that VVIPs were being there, the securities were being there, that's why they were not able to see Messi finest, so that's why they got agitated, and right now the chaos has been broken out. With camera person Nissan Anirban Sinaroy for India Today, Kolkata.
Actually, we have given so much money for this event, and the most important thing is that Messi has come for this event. And what message we have given to the Messi, this government, this like sports minister, I am saying that sports minister is clicking selfie with Messi, and everyone is trying to manage the people. But for these people, the engagement is happening into the ground. And what message you have given to the Messi? Nothing has been happened. Shah Rukh Khan hasn't came. I don't know about Shah Rukh Khan, the chief minister. These are all dignitaries, but it's very shameful for the absolute event management, and I would say the government as well.
We are very disappointed because हम अपने it's a weekend right for the children, and we came that my child was so excited कि हम मेसी को देखेंगे, पर हम मेसी को नहीं देखे. It was full disappointment, and it's a scam, I think, for people around. Shouldn't be doing. And Messi जब वो ground में आए तो everybody surrounded him, so there was no space that we could हम देखे मेसी को.
एकदम घटिया इवेंट. 10 मिनट के लिए आया, सारे नेता मंत्री कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसर सब उनको घेर लिए, कुछ नहीं देख पाए, ना एक किक आउट करवाया, ना एक पेनल्टी लिया, कुछ नहीं किया. शाहरुख खान को भी लाना का बोला था, कुछ नहीं लाया, 10 मिनट के लिए आया, चला गया, पूरा फ्रॉड करके चला गया. इतना लोगों का पैसा, इमोशन, टाइम सब बर्बाद, कुछ नहीं देख पाए.
क्या होगा? 500 आदमी घेर के रखा है मेसी को, सब नेता भी नेता लोग. हम लोग को क्यों बुलाया? ये देखिए टिकट 10 आदमी लोग क्या करने आएंगे हम लोग? पब्लिक मतलब बेवकूफ है बंगाल में. देख लीजिए 10,000 रुपए का टिकट है, 12,000 रुपए का, एक शक्ल नहीं देख पाया उनका. हम लोग सब नेता लोग घोर के रखा है उसको पूरा एकदम.
We have Anirban at this given point joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details. Anirban, do take us through what exactly are you picking up from the ground? We see fans enraged and infuriated at this point with the fact that they could hardly catch a glimpse of their hero from the ground.
what has happened inside the GOAT concert of Messi. And right now we are standing in the from the press box of the Yuva Bharati Kridangan. And there is much queue by the people over here. And right now what has happened is the people all got agitated after Messi being taken out after 10 minutes of this concert, of this show, of this event. And what has happened, there is a question regarding the mismanagement. But the picture after this is very much shameful, as we have not seen this kind of pictures before in Kolkata, in any stadium of Kolkata, in any sports event of Kolkata. And right now we can see that half an hour gone, and all the people got agitated and they broke the chairs. The chairs are fallen down in the ground, we can see. And also the canopy, we can see it has been already destroyed, and it was tried to set on fire by the agitated fans. And we can see that Bidhannagar Commissionerate already taken the field, and few minutes back what we have seen is people from all over the gallery has come out inside the ground, and they started agitation. They started destroying all the things, as the goalpost nets has already been destroyed, and also the canopies, the posters, the hoardings, all from all over the stadium was destroyed by the agitated fans. And they said that they got anxious, as what we have learned from the fans as well, that they got anxious because of the thing that has happened, the mismanagement that has happened. They are alleging that Messi was already he was in the ground for only 10 minutes, and after that he was taken out, and in this 10 minutes he was surrounded by the security personals as well as by the VVIP personals. That's why the people in the gallery was not being able to see Messi very well, and they have not observed Messi, and that's why it has happened that the destruction, the picture of destruction that we can see, that people all from all over the stadium has come inside the ground. They have destroyed everything. They have started protesting. And what we have seen from the police side as well, that police tried to control the situation. But what has happened, that police didn't lathi charge first, but when the fans, the agitated fans were not stopped by them, then police started lathi charged, and then few of the fans were beaten as well. But right now it's a very hard situation and very typical situation, that what we have learned also, that outside the stadium there is also chaos going on, and this is not safe to go outside as well.
Very,
So right
very
now,
true, Anirban. We've been seeing the visuals coming in from outside the stadium. We could see how the fans, in fact, rushed into the ground as well right after Messi left the stadium. We can see in the visuals how they've been throwing things at the organizers, at the authorities who've been trying to bring the situation in control.